Well, who doesn't love flowers, especially the women in your lives? And with Mother's Day this weekend, we're going live from just one of the many places that you can find a lovely flower arrangement for your mother. And our very own Shannon Becker is at In the Garden in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Good morning, Shannon.
Good morning and happy Mother's Day to you, Tanya.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we're in the garden on East 4th. Oh, yeah, of course. We're on East 4th Street in Pittsburgh. Just as you said, Mother's Day, get that important lady in your life. Not your wife, necessarily. Let the kids do that, see? So, in the garden. Great idea. In fact, they're opening this weekend from 9 until 5:30. On Saturday, they'll close a little bit earlier at 5. Sunday from 1 until 4. While Mother's Day is a special day to celebrate moms, the best thing you can give them, of course, is love. Flowers, breakfast in bed, or a day to relax. You could do that for your wife, perhaps, on behalf of the kids. There are plenty of options for flowers and plants here at In the Garden for all you last-minute shoppers. As I said, on Saturday, they're going to be open from 9 to 5, and Sunday, they're open from 1 until 4.
All right, Shannon, I am curious, do you have any plans for Mother's Day this year?
Oh, my mother last year, she told me, she said, quit buying me things. She's like, I don't need anything. So I think I'll probably take my mom out to lunch. That'll probably be it.
There you go. There you go. All right. Well, thank you so much. We're going to check in with you in about 30 minutes, if that's all right. We'll be right back.